Here we are going to find a new tool using AI to remove the background of an image, and here we have to go for a new site, removal.ai. You can find that on that screen, removal.ai. On that you can see that removal background is there, and just scroll down and scroll down. These are the options, and right now you can see the above scene. So many options are there, and you can find here choose a photo or drag and drop a video is there. So choose a photo from, you can choose it from your folder, and you can choose any photo which have the background which you have to remove. So there's an image is chosen, and right now the background is removed. You can download it, or in high quality also you can download it, and you can download. And after that, it's a simple image, you can proceed on that. Otherwise you can choose any another image from on the top, upload image again, and in this image you can find some backgrounds are there, some rough backgrounds are there. Now it's already been gone. Also you can go for any other image, you can choose. It can be erased. Totally tools are there. Upload image again, and upload an image with these types of background. You can remove this background totally full. So you can go for removal.ai and do the procedures, and after that you can download it. Okay, thank you.